Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a Tuesday morning haul that I did. I purchased when I was in Texas when I was taking my son to school, back to school. They had a nice little shopping area there, and they just so happened to have a Tuesday morning. So let's get into what I purchased. Remove this. Move this all to the side. So yeah, I try to do a live video to share my purchase. So yeah, that didn't go too well, but here I am. Let me do this now. I had found a bunch of Maggie Holmes. It's not a great big haul, but it's big for me because I don't have a Tuesday morning nearby. So here we go. First thing I did pick up was some double stick tape, and it's that red tape everybody gets from Tuesday morning. They had two sizes. They had this one, and this is a this to that brand, or actually it's a American Craft brand. So this one was $1.99, and it is, I think it's a 1/4 inch. Yep, 1/4 inch thick. So I got one of those. I should have got more because it was so cheap. And then I got this brand, which is probably 1/8 of an inch. Yep, 1/8 of an inch thick, the width of the tape. And it was $1.49. And I think this is 32.8 yards. So that's a lot of tape. And I like the thickness. And I didn't say how many yards this was. 5 yards. So this is 5 yards. So this actually has more. So I picked those two up. And I found some sticky notepads from Maggie Holmes. And this is, I believe, the Carousel collection. Yep, Carousel collection. I thought they were thick, like thick stickers. But when I brought it home and I read it, it's sticky notes. I don't know if any of you all have seen this out there, but that's a first for me. I also found some stickers from Maggie Holmes also, and this is the Chasing Dreams collection, and it's the little puffy stickers. Let me hold it like this. I love those bows and the butterflies. Oh my goodness, love it. And then I also found some gold word stickers also from Maggie Holmes, and it's also the Carousel collection. And the two words are dream and love you. So this is dream and this is love you. So that is the Carousel collection. I also found some Willow Lane. Oh my goodness, am I not telling you the prices? This is $1.49 for the puffy stickers, mini puffy stickers. And these are $1.99 for the sticky notes and $1.99 for the word stickers. I found some journaling ephemera, and it's $4.99, and this is the Willow Lane collection from Maggie Holmes, and I love that. It's a shaker under here. This is a shaker. That's pretty cute. So this is all that comes in this set. I mean, this is not new to everybody else, but it is new to me. Love those. Pretty cute. Great to make some Happy Mail with. And I picked up another Carousel stickers, the 206. They're word stickers and shapes and alphas. So this is second set actually for me. That's another Carousel. Okay, and then found some magnets, and this is from Maggie Holmes, but I forget what it's $1.49, and I don't remember what collection this is. It just says crepe paper, and it has the black and white marble alphas, or not marble, but florals. And they're magnetic. Never seen this, just like the, whatever that one is. So yeah, I got those. Then I found a few stamps that I don't have any stamps really from Maggie Holmes, so I picked up 4. And this is $2.99. These are the, I think this is the Chasing Dreams. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure which collection this is, but these are her stamps. It says Happy Heart. Yeah, Happy Heart, the camera, and the typewriter. So yeah, I picked those up, and these are all those acrylic stamps you gotta mount to the acrylic, whatever. So this one I love because it has all these different bows on there. So I figure I would stamp these out on pattern paper and then fussy cut them. So cute, these bows. And this one was $2.99 also, and this is the Bloom collection. Okay, and then I believe these are the same collection because they have the same, so I think this is the Chasing Dreams collection, but I'm not sure. So I got this one for the unicorn and the ballerina, and of course the bow. So pretty, $2.99. I think they were all yep, they're all $2.99. I already showed you this one. And then here we have the frame, the hearts, the bows, and then there's like these little plaques, and there's little words in here. So they have love you, remember this, happy heart, and magical moments. $2.99 for these stamps. I love it. Love, love, love. Now I've got to get busy. Sorry. So here is the, I picked up a pack of ephemeras from Pink Paisley, Confetti Wishes, and this one was $1.99. This particular Tuesday morning was well organized as far as for these scrapbooking and all that. It was really pretty. I could have stayed there all day, but I had other things to do. I had to move my son in. So it comes with all these pieces. I love the palm fronds. Those are beautiful. Or not palm fronds, those are pandanus leaves. So yeah, those are cute. And then you got a few florals, some birds. Love it. That one says happy birthday. Very cute. Yeah, I guess this is a birthday. Confetti Wishes is a birthday theme. Okay, duh. Okay, so from Maggie Holmes again, I picked up another paper pad for the Carousel collection. I think the Carousel is like my favorite all time from her. Carousel. I just picked that up. I love the gold in this collection. That's the second paper pad for me. I also picked up another paper pad. This is from Pink Paisley, and it's spell cast. I don't have many Halloween papers, but it's slowly growing. This is a 6x6. So it's very cute. I love the insects. It's in gold. And these are in gold also. Look at all the witches. So, okay. You get the gist. This is not a new paper pad. Okay, and to finish off the stickers, I got one Halloween thickers. This one has gold letters, and they're all individual letters except for the script. So that's cute. And you have the other side also, which is frightful, creepy, very cute. I love that. And then I picked up more thickers, and these are also from the Spellcast collection. Got a bunch of beautiful, colorful stickers on here. And then again, you have the other side. Very cute. I love that. The majority of it has like gold treatment. And And then I picked up a 12 by 12 pad, which I saw our girl Danielle from Pink Zebra, the Crafty Unicorn. I always giggle when I say her YouTube name. But Danielle, thank you. Your girl who hooked you up with this Halloween paper pad. Pretty awesome. I love it. So here we go. There's a lot of foil treatment on these papers. Look at this pumpkin. Very cute. Very cute. Love it. All right. So that will do it for my Tuesday morning haul. I hope you all enjoyed. I know I did. If I had stayed in that Tuesday morning any longer, I would have been in more trouble. But it's okay. We had time to kill before it was time for my son to move into his apartment. So we all just, you know, they gave in to mom because I was the only girl there. Just me and my 3 boys. My daughter, she's on her own now, so I can't bring her along with me for the ride. But yeah, I had fun. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and tell me if you guys have had any of these collections, and share with me what you all were doing with these particular collections. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.